How to fix Windows search bar not working. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your Windows search bar is not working. So if you're trying to type here anything and you're not able to do that, then there might be a little problem on your device which you can fix by just following these simple steps. The very first thing that you want to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard. What this will do is open up your run dialog box, or if you don't have this, you can just go ahead and search it from your apps. And once you press Windows plus R, here you are going to type in this command, which will be available on your description as well, so you can check it out on our description. Click on OK, and then your problem should be fixed. This is the first method, and the second one is what you want to do is press Windows Shift and Delete. If that does not work for you, you can try to press Control Alt and Delete, and this menu will pop up on your screen. So here all you want to do is select the Task Manager, or you can just right click on your taskbar to open up your Task Manager. From here, you just have to find your Windows Explorer on the Process tab. So scroll down until you see your Windows Explorer, right click on it, and then restart your Windows Explorer, and all of your problems should be fixed. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.